You will notice that you can't lift up the wiper arm on BMW F10 for wiper replacement at its resting position. To enter the wiper service mode, firstly press once the start button to wake up the car. Press on the start button one more time to turn off the ACC mode. Then, push up the wiper lever all the way to the top position and hold for 5 seconds. The wiper arm will wipe to the 90-degree position. Stay stationary. Now you can lift up the wiper to commence the wiper replacement. Turn the wiper 90-degree angle against the wiper arm and pull out the old wiper blade. To install the new wiper blade, position the hole on the wiper blade against the pin on the wiper arm and turn the wiper blade perpendicular to the wiper arm to lock it into its position. You can see the close-up action one more time for the right windscreen wiper blade. Remember to remove the rubber protective sleeve if your new wiper comes with one. To move the wiper arm into its default resting position, press on the start button once to turn on the ACC mode. Then press the wiper lever down once. Check out the new wiper in action, and now the windscreen is sparkling clean without any water residue.